Welcome students to episode 6 of our D and F block playlist. Today, we explore actinides, the 5F series, their electronic configurations, oxidation states, magnetic behavior, color, complex formation, and how they differ from lanthanides. This is a scoring topic and common in G questions. Let's begin. The actinides are 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. Their differentiating electron enters the 5f orbital, so they are called the 5f inner transition elements. Most actinides are radioactive, especially the heavier ones. The general electronic configuration of actinides is Rn 5f superscript 1 superscript 160 superscript 17s superscript 2. Just like lanthanides, actinides show irregularities due to small energy difference between 5f and 6d orbitals and strong electron-electron repulsion. Examples include thorium, Rn a 6d superscript 2 7s superscript 2, uranium, Rn 5f superscript 3 6d superscript 1 7s superscript 2, and neptunium, Rn 5f 6d superscript 1 7s superscript 2. Actinides show more irregular configurations than lanthanides. This is the most important part of actinides. Unlike lanthanides, actinides show variable and multiple oxidation states. For example, thorium shows +4, uranium shows +3, +4, +5, +6, neptunium shows +3 to +7, and plutonium shows +3 to +7. The higher oxidation states are more stable in actinides because 5f6d7's electrons are closer in energy, allowing easy participation in bonding. Uranium forms UO superscript 2 in the +6 state. Similar to lanthanides, actinides also show a slow decrease in ionic radii from its superscript 3 to Lr superscript 3. Reasons are the same: poor shielding and high attraction on 5f electrons. Consequences include very similar chemical properties, difficult separation, and higher density and hardness towards the end. Lanthanide contraction and actinide contraction have similar causes and effects. Actinide ions also show color due to F-F transitions, but their transitions are more intense than lanthanides. This is because 5f electrons are less shielded, leading to greater interaction with surroundings. Actinides are strongly paramagnetic and often show complex magnetic behavior. Early actinides like U superscript 3, NP superscript 3, Pu superscript 3 show high magnetic moments. Actinides form much stronger complexes than lanthanides. This is because 5f electrons are less buried, allowing larger participation in bonding, and higher oxidation states are available. Common complexing agents include fluorides, carbonates, oxalates, EDTA, and phosphates. Actinides exhibit greater complex formation than lanthanides. Actinides are highly electropositive and reactive metals. They tarnish rapidly in air, form oxides, hydrides, and halides, and react with boiling water. They dissolve in acids to form an superscript 3 or an ions. But a key difference from lanthanides is that actinides are radioactive, so their chemistry is affected by nuclear instability. Because of similar ionic sizes and overlapping oxidation states, separation is difficult. Methods used include the ion exchange method, solvent extraction, and redox reactions to differentiate oxidation states. Separation of U and Pu uses redox plus solvent extraction processes. Both actinides and lanthanides show contraction, involve F electrons, show paramagnetism, and form colored ions. However, their oxidation states differ. Lanthanides are mainly +3, while actinides range from +3 to +7. Complex formation is weaker in lanthanides but stronger in actinides. Also, lanthanides are mostly non-radioactive, while actinides are mostly radioactive. 4f electrons are more shielded, while 5f electrons are less shielded, leading to more bonding in actinides. Actinides also show more irregular configurations. Important uses include uranium-235 as nuclear fuel, plutonium-239 in atomic reactors, and thorium in breeder reactors. Americium is used in smoke detectors, and neptunium-plutonium compounds are used in nuclear chemistry research. With this, we complete the actinides and the entire F block. We have also understood how actinides differ from lanthanides and why their chemistry is richer and more complex. In the next episode, we will move into the qualitative trends and practical applications of D and F block elements, completing the entire chapter for G. Stay consistent and jump to episode 7.